Hello everyone, just wanted to show you real quick how I like starting off my mornings. And I usually get a cup of green tea, and also I have some sea moss that I prepared, and I'll add just a spoonful of the sea moss into the tea. Give it a stir. So now that the sea moss is pretty much finished, I have a little bit left. I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling vibrant. I'm ready for the day. I have done some meditation, and again, as I said, the sea moss has me feeling great. It keeps me feeling really good. This sea moss is for all humans. Like, we all should partake in sea moss. Get you some sea moss. You gotta get you some. You gonna thrive. You gonna feel good. Like right now, it's like 7. Let me check the time. Okay, it's 8:10 in the morning. I started probably about 7. I woke up, got everything together. But anyhow, right now, my energy level is right where it needs to be. It's right where it needs to be. I feel good. I'm not feeling slung over from the night before or any of that. Like, I feel good. I'm ready to take on the day, and I encourage you to do the same. So get you some sea moss, get yourself going. I'm not gonna make this video too long, but I just pretty much want to share with you my morning time routine that I do using my green tea, and I add the sea moss in it. But yeah, I'll come back on. Thank you for stopping by. I'm gonna finish getting myself together and setting the tone for a more positive day, creating a good lifestyle for myself. And thank y'all. I love y'all. We gonna keep on striving for greatness. Make sure you go to my Instagram page, add me on Instagram for some extra motivation. And also, you can get a better feel for me, more of a feel for me, like a behind the scenes type feel on my Instagram page, at Ardriana_the holistic. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below. We winning. We gonna keep growing. I love you. Thank you for support, the kindness, the shares, all of that. Y'all have a good day, and I'll see you again.